Hello, this is Benjamin with US Tape Company, and today I want to show you how to replace your counter on the DuraWheel Measuring Wheel. The counters have a limited lifetime warranty, so all you need to do is send an email to warranty@ustape.com with your shipping address, a picture of the top of the counter, and the model number. Next, I want to show you how to replace the counter. Alright, so let's dive into it. Here's the counter, the belt, and you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. So the first thing you want to do is use your Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew the screws on the bottom of the counter. Next, you want to take off the 2 screws on your belt cover plate. Once the screws are off, you can remove the belt cover plate. Next, you want to take off the belt. Then you want to take off the counter. Okay, let's start with our new counter. So you want to reinsert the tube into the hole of the counter. And then you want to put the counter back into original position. Once your counter is in place, you want to reconnect your screws on the bottom of the counter. Once the screws are in place, you can start working on your new belt. Once your belt is in place, you can put back the belt cover plate. Once your screws are back in place, your wheel is ready to go. Thank you for watching and have a great day.